I'm back. And I figured when I came back, then I better not do it in that dusty ass, ugly ass road. I might as well cut to the chase. My family is experiencing a tragic loss. And if you know, you know, but I won't get into the who, what, when, where, all of that. But I will say that for the past 5 days of just grieving this horror and so many unanswered questions, that today I decided to get up, stop wallowing in all of my tears. I did enough of that. I got up, made the bed, and got myself together. But what's important is really what I'm skipping over, and that is I gave myself time. I screamed, I cried, I prayed, I screamed, I cried, and so many unanswered questions. But today, I'm gonna go and make a difference in my world. I'm going to make sure that in the most positive way, I impact some mother's son, some father's daughter, some grandparents' children. I'm going to do that today. And I'm going to use that mission to try to heal me a little bit every single day. And then I remember late last night, as I was getting ready to turn in, what I've been practicing. Being mindful of the people around me, the environment around me, how my actions have reactions, not just for me, but so many others. And gratitude. And just being grateful for the moments that I have to just breathe in and out, to share laughs and sorrow with people who love me and who I love so dearly. So I'm going to make a difference in my world today, despite the pain, despite the unanswered questions. And you can too. So make it a great day. Honor yourself in today. If you don't feel like your energy is being very well spent, then move on. That may be moving on from a person, place, or thing. Just, you don't have to accept it. Honor yourself today. Love you and those who love you back. Till next time.